Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get copyright free music for Facebook page. For that you have to open your Chrome browser and log in your Facebook account. Now I'm showing easy method step by step, so follow my whole process. Go to new tab, search here Creator Studio. Look at the left corner. Tap on sound collection. Now they show here copyright free music. Now download start. If in this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching.